Hello everyone. So today's topic we are having here, that is mixtures, alligation as well as partnership. So in today's lecture actually we are going to understand what is this concept of mixtures, alligation. Further we'll understand the concept of partnership, what exactly it is, and then as you know very well we'll discuss the question based on this so that the concept would be crystal clear to us. So these two topics we are going to cover. Let us start with mixtures, alligation. Let me tell you, before going for this topic, a very simple puzzle is there in front of you. Try to understand what is the puzzle. You are having, listen carefully, you are having 280 rupees with you. You are having total 280 rupees with you. You went to shop to purchase three different varieties of the product, that is product A, product B and product C. With 280 rupees, you want to purchase three different product A, product B and product C. Some product A, some product B, some product C you want to purchase. The product A cost, it is 40 rupees each. One product, it is 40 rupees each. The product B cost, it is 1 rupee each. One product, 1 rupee. And the product C, it is 20 paise each, or else you can say 0.2 of the rupee. Now you tell me, how many product A, how many product B, how many product C you will purchase, so that in 280 rupees you should get total number of product, that is 280. So you have to find number of A product, number of B product, number of C product. They can be different, they can be same, that I don't know, but number of A product how many, number of B product how many number of C product how many, so that in 280 rupees total number of product you get 280. Money spent should be also 280 and number of products should be also 280. Now for this, sorting out this, many people go for trial and error method. But let me tell you, trial and error method is a method. If you are really lucky, in the first round itself you will get the answer. But if your luck is not in your favor, you will try with one number, error will come. Again you will try with new number, again error will come. Maybe after 2 days you will get the correct answer. So never ever follow that method which don't have any time limitation. Always go according to the question. See what I said, total number of product should be 280 and total money you are having 280. Product A cost, it is 40 rupees each. Product B cost 1 rupee each and product C cost 20 paise each. Now make the equation how they have given. See what they have given the equation, that is product A plus product B plus product C. Total number of product we require 280. Total number of product required is 280. A cost is 40 rupees each, so 40A. B cost is 1 rupee each, so 1B. And C cost is 20 paise each, so 0.2 C. This should be also equal to 280 rupees. This is what the condition they have given. Now they are asking you number of A product, number of B product, number of C product. They are asking you the value of three variables. They have given you only two equations. In order to find the value of three variables, we require at least three equations. But my dear friend, that is mathematics. Let us do with aptitude. Let us understand with these two equations what you can derive. Whether you are subtracting or else you are equating. Remember one thing, this B will get cancelled. This B will get cancelled. Why B is getting cancelled? Why this variable is getting cancelled? Because B is according to the condition given in the question. What was the condition of the question? Total number of product and total money spent. Both should be 280. In B case, always number of product and money spent will be same. If you take one product, 1 rupee. If you take 5 product, 5 rupees will be spent. If you take 100 product, 100 rupees will be spent. And if you take 280 products, 280 rupees will be spent. So B, anyhow, it is according to the condition given in the question. Main adjustment you have to do with A and C. That is the reason B is getting cancelled. Now let us equate both of them. Can we say that A plus B plus C should be equal to 40A plus B plus 0.2 C? If we equate it, B and B get cancelled. So 40A minus this A, how much you will get? 39A is equal to C minus 0.2 C, it will become 0.8 C. So what is A by C value? It will come 0.8 by 39, which if you remove this decimal, it can be written as 8 by 390. A is to C ratio, which if you cancel, it will come 4 by 195. Means A and C you have to mix in the ratio of 4 is to 195. A and C you have to mix in the ratio of 4 is to 195. Means A you should take 4 product and C you should take 195 product. See, this is number of product. If I talk about cost, total money spent. A cost it is 40 rupees each. So 40 for the total. Here how much it will be spent? 160 rupees will be spent. 40 rupees each, 4 product, 160 rupees. C cost is 20 paise each. So in 1 rupee 5 product will come. If you divide this by 5, here 39 rupees will be spent, because 39 5s are 195. Just check with the number of product. 4 plus 195, how much it is coming? 4 plus 195, it is coming 199. 160 plus 39, how much it is coming? 199. No need to be worried about B. Anyhow, the remaining you can take for B. Still how much money is left over? Total we were having 280 rupees. In that only 199 is spent. So still 81 rupees left over. So in 81 rupees, B 81 product. This becomes 280. This also becomes 280. With this I wanted to say you always go according to the question. Don't directly go for trial and error method. But my dear friend, this is equation method. Let me tell you, with this equation method, there came out one more method which we call it as alligation rule. Mixtures and alligation. Now what is this mixtures and alligation? We'll understand. Here in this question, A, B, C, 3 products we are having. Which product we don't have any problem? B. B we don't have any problem. Main adjustment we have to do with A and C. Why B we are not having the problem? Because 280 rupees they require 280 products. So main adjustment we have to do with A and C. A cost they have given us 40 rupees each. C cost they have given us 20 paise, means I can say it as 1 by 5 of the rupee each. Now they require in 280 rupees 280 product. This is only possible when product cost is 1 rupee. So these two we have to bring in the cost of 1 rupee. The value what they have given, that you write on the top. The value in which you want to convert, right in the middle. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. Don't get confused, 1 rupee is not the B value. B is already in the condition, B is already of 1 rupee, and these two also we are bringing in the same condition, that number of product and total money spent should be same. So we have to bring this to in 1 rupee. Just to subtract it, 40 minus 1, how much it will become? 39. And 1 minus 1 by 5, how much it will become? 4 by 5. This is A part, this is C part. So A is to C, we should mix in the ratio of 4 by 5 is to 39. Where further if you take 5 LCM, it will become 4 is to 195. 5 get cancelled. A and C we have to mix in the ratio of 4 is to 195, which you have seen in this slide. We have mixed in the ratio of 4 is to 195. Once again, let me tell you this alligation rule very clearly. The values what they have given, right on the top. Value in which you want to convert, right in the middle. Difference both side, difference will be the ratio. They call this also as flower method, something in the different books. And the value what they have given in this one will be the higher value. Here higher value is 40 rupees. This we call it as dearer value. Another will be the lower value, which we call it as cheaper value. Here cheaper value is 1 by 5 of the rupee. And the value in which you are trying to convert, that is called as mean value. That will be called as mean value. Mean value will be always less than dearer but more than cheaper. Mean value will be always less than dearer but more than cheaper. Means one side you have to write dearer minus mean, and this side you have to write mean minus cheaper. Mean value is always less than dearer but more than cheaper. I mean to say you are having 2 varieties of rice. One variety is 40 rupees per kg. Another variety is 80 rupees per kg. Now both the rice you are mixing. In whatever ratio you mix. 2 kg this, 5 kg this. 1 kg this, 7 kg this. 3 kg this, 11 kg this. 11 kg this, 2 kg this. Whatever ratio you mix, the mixture cost won't be less than 40 rupees per kg. The mixture cost won't be more than 80 rupees per kg. Means it will come in the range of 40 and 80. It will be more than cheaper, more than 40, but less than dearer, less than 80. So mean value is always less than dearer, but more than cheaper. Coming to the question, How this mixtures alligation will be useful, let us understand. Here I have given you the ratio, you have understood for this question. Now let's see this question over here. In this question they are saying a trader purchases two varieties of rice A and B. A and B is the variety name at the rate of 48 rupees per kg and 60 rupees per kg respectively. Means A cost is 48 rupees per kg, B cost is 60 rupees per kg. In what ratio he should mix the two varieties so that the mixture cost becomes rupees 52 per kg. They want to convert this mixture in the cost of 52 rupees per kg. So in what ratio we have to mix both of them? Very simple here. This is A, this is B. A cost they have given how much? It is 48 rupees per kg. B cost they have given as 60 rupees per kg. We have to convert this in what rate? That is 52. So 52 becomes the mean value. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. 52 minus 48, if I am not wrong, it is 4. 60 minus 52, if I am not wrong, this is 8. This is A part, this is B part. So A is to B should be mixed in the ratio of 8 is to 4, which you can further cancel and say 2 is to 1 ratio. A and B we have to mix in the ratio of 2 is to 1. You can check it out. A we are having, it is 48 rupees per kg. Take 2 kg. What is the 2 kg cost? 2 kg cost will be 96 rupees. And B is given as 60 rupees per kg. Take 1 kg. 1 kg cost will be 60 rupees. Total how much money you spend? 96 plus 60, that is 156 rupees you are spending. In 156 rupees, how many kg you got? 2 kg this one, 1 kg this one, means total it is 3 kg. So each kg rate how much it is coming? 52 rupees per kg. No need to check this. Here I am checking and saying you, no need to check this. You write the difference both side, difference will be the ratio. But let me tell you, this is very basic. They won't give you this simple question in your GATE exam, then what type of question they can place? Let us understand. Here you can see, a trader purchases two varieties of sugar, P and Q, at the rate of 42 rupees per kg and 80 rupees per kg respectively. In what ratio he should mix the two varieties so that he can sell the mixture at 78 rupees per kg by getting 30% profit. He should, selling price is given 78 and he should also get 30% profit. Now here don't do this mistake writing P here and Q here. P rate is given as 42 per kg, Q rate is given as 80 per kg. We should convert that in 78 rupees per kg. Don't do this mistake. My dear friend, these three entities should be same. If top you are writing cost price, mean value should be also cost price. If top you are writing selling price, mean value should be also selling price. Means these three entities should not be different. So first of all, let us understand this 78 is actually the selling price. So selling price is given as rupees 78 per kg. Profit they are talking about, profit is 30%. What is the meaning of 30% profit? You must have attended profit and loss topic. 30% profit means SP by CP value, how much it should come? It should come how much? 1.3. Then only you can say it is 30% profit. More than 1, how much more than 1.3 more means 30% profit. SP already it is given 78 to you. Place that 78 here, you will be getting the CP over there. So if you place 78 here, this 1.3 this side, so 78 by 1.3 is the cost price. So if you remove decimal, it will become 780, 13 ones are 13 6 are 60, it will become 60. So cost price was 60 rupees. Now you can write PQ. P rate is given as 42 rupees per kg. Q rate is given as 80 rupees per kg. We should convert this in 60 rupees per kg. See, all the three are the cost price, not the different thing. These three entities should be always same. Now difference both side, difference will be its ratio. 60 minus 42, if I am not wrong, it will be 18. 80 minus 60, it will come 20. So this is P part, this is Q part. Don't get confused. P part is not this. If P part is this, I will not write this as cross. I'll write straight. This is P part, this is Q part. So P is to Q should be mixed in the ratio of 20 is to 18, which you can further cancel and write it as 10 is to 9 ratio. Then if we mix P 10 kg, Q 9 kg and mix them and sell them at 78 rupees per kg, he will be getting 30% profit. Because this alligation rule will be useful to you in so many places. So many cases it will be useful. Which are the places it will be useful? We'll see more question to understand this more better. Here you can see the question is there on the screen. Parallelly we are having options as well. In a class with 360 students, the average age of all the boys is 24 years. Total 360 students are there. Boys average age is 24 years. And average age of all girls is 18 years. Girls average, if we see, it is coming 18 years. If the average age of whole class is 20 years, find the number of girls in the class. And if we consider the whole class, male, female, both, total whole class, if we consider average is coming 20 years, find the number of girls in the class they are asking. Very simple. Boys, girls. Boys average age, how much they have given? It is 24 years. Girls average age, how much they have given? It is 18 years. Average age of whole class means the mean value they have given as 20 years. Difference both side, difference will be the ratio of boys and girls. So 24 minus 20, it is 4. 20 minus 18, it is 2. So this is boys, this is girls. So boys to girl, they are in the ratio of 2:4, which you can further cancel and say they are in the ratio of 1:2. But they are not asking you the ratio. They are asking you number of girls in the class. So here if you see, girls are how much? Girls are 2 part out of total 2 plus 1, 3 part. Out of 3 part, 2 part are the girls. So 2 by 3 of total number of students. Total number of students in the class there were 360. So 2 by 3 of 360. 3 ones, 3 120. So 120 into 2, there are 240 girls in the class. That is given in option D. This is our answer. Number of boys they are asking. Boys are 1 part out of 3 parts. So 1 by 3 into 360, 120 boys are there and 240 girls are there. Total number of student it is, you can say 360. Clear? Very simple. Let's see more places how it will be useful. A merchant sells 1600 horses at an overall profit of 25%. Some of them he sold at 20% profit, whereas remaining at 40% profit. Find the number of horses he sold at 40% profit. Some he sold at 20, remaining at 40, overall he is getting 25. Simple. One side is getting 20% profit, another side 40% profit, and overall means mean value is how much getting profit? 25% profit, 25% mean value. Difference both side, difference will be the ratio. 25 minus 20, it is 5. 40 minus 25, it is 15. So 20% profit is to 40% profit. It is in the ratio of this is 20, this is 40. It is in the ratio of 15:5, which you can further cancel and say 3:1 ratio. So 3:1 ratio. This is the ratio. Now they are talking about 40% profit. How many horses? So 40% is this 1 part out of total 3 plus 1, 4 part. So 1 by 4 of total number of horses. Total number of horses already they have given 1600. So 4 ones, 4 fours are 16. So 400 horses he sold at 40% profit and remaining 1200 at how much? 20% profit. Clear? Simple it is. Now let's see more question. In a mixture of 40 liters, the ratio of milk and water is given as 4:1. The ratio of milk and water is given as 4:1. How much water must be added to this mixture so that the ratio of milk and water becomes 2:3? So we have to add water. Now, as I said, you keep the entities same. See, one side you are having mixture, another side you are adding in that water. Mixture you are mixing with, mixture you are adding water. Now mixture is having how much water? That is more important. Mixture is having how much water? I am finding water entity in this. Mixture is having how much water? Mixture is having 1/5 of water, because milk is to water ratio is 4:1. So water is 1 part out of total 5 part. Now water is how much water? Water is completely 100%, 1 water, complete water, 1 water. Both we should mix and we have to make water. How much water should be there? The new mixture should have how much water? 3 part out of total 5 part. So 3 by 5 becomes the mean value. This is what we have to make. Okay, so in water ratio we have to mix both of them. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, it will become 2 by 5. And 1 minus 3 by 5, it will become 2 by 5. So mixture and water. Mixture is to water. It should be mixed in the ratio of 2 by 5 is to 2 by 5. which you further cancel and say 1:1 ratio, means equal quantity we have to mix. How much mixture? That much water. How much was the mixture? 40 liters was the mixture. So we'll add 40 liters of water, which is given in option C. As simple as that. Let us understand more question. An alloy A consists iron and copper in the ratio of 5:7, whereas alloy B consists iron and copper in the ratio of 3:1. In what ratio two alloys are to be mixed to form a new alloy with iron and copper in the ratio of 2:1? Now very simple, two alloys you are mixing, new alloy you are making, and iron and copper. Iron and copper. Take any one entity and proceed. In the previous question we were taking water and proceeding. Here take any one entity and proceed. Either take copper and proceed or else take iron and proceed. Whatever you are taking, it should be, all the three should be the same. Don't take on the top iron and in the mean as copper. Don't do that mistake. Okay. Everywhere iron or everywhere copper. Now, let's say alloy A, alloy B. Alloy A is having how much iron? Let us take iron and proceed. Iron, how much it is having? 5 part out of total 5 plus 7, 12 part. So 5/12 iron is there in alloy A. Alloy B, if we talk about, alloy B is having iron how much? 3 part out of total 3 plus 1, 4 part. So 3/4 iron is there. Both we have to mix. New alloy should be made, and new alloy, how much iron should be there? New alloy iron should be how much? 2 part out of total 2 plus 1, 3 part. So 2/3 in the mean value. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. Let us make the denominator same. Making the denominator same, because here it is given 12. Let us make this also as 12. 4 3s are 12. So multiplying 3 in numerator denominator. So it can be written as 9/12. Here denominator is 3. Let us make it 12. So multiply 4. If you multiply 4 in numerator and denominator, it will become as 8/12. 9/12 minus 8/12. How much it will come? 1/12. And 8/12 minus 5/12. How much it will come? 3/12. So alloy A is to alloy B should be mixed in the ratio of 1/12 is to 3/12. 12 get cancelled. So it should be mixed in the ratio of 1:3, which is given in option D. Don't go for 3:1. It is 1:3 because they have given the word, it is A ratio B. A ratio B will be 1:3. B ratio A will be 3:1. Let's see more question. A and B are two alloys of argentum and brass prepared by mixing metals in proportion 7:2 and 7:11. Similar question it is. If equal quantities, here they are saying equal quantities are mixed of the two alloys and melted to form a third alloy C, the proportion of argentum and brass in alloy C will be. So let us take brass and proceed. Now second one. Anyone you take, you will get the same answer. Let us take brass and proceed. Let's say alloy A, alloy B. Alloy A is having how much brass? Alloy A is having how much brass? It is 2 part out of total 2 plus 7, 9 parts. So 2/9 brass is here. Alloy B is having how much brass? It is 11 part out of total 11 plus 7. It is 18. New alloy, how much brass should be there? We don't know that. We know one thing. This value we don't know. Here the value we don't know. But we know one thing. Both are equal quantity. Means they are in the ratio, mixed in the ratio of 1:1. So let us write X over here. What is X? X is actually the brass in alloy C. Be careful about that. Don't write that value as it is. X is actually the brass in the new alloy formed alloy C. Let us, can I say, here in this, which is the dearer one, you have to check that, because dearer minus mean and mean minus cheaper we have to go for. So this can be, let us make this also as 18. Multiply 2 in numerator denominator. This can be written as 4/18. Now which is dearer? This is dearer. So I can say 11/18 minus X. It should be equal to X minus 4/18. Because it should be in the ratio of 1:1. So equal both are, or else you can divide. If some other ratio is given, you can divide and write that ratio over there after equal to. So let us sort it out. If I am not wrong, it will be coming 11 minus 18x by 18 is equal to 18x minus, okay, let us not do that. Let us go for the equation sorting out the fraction. Minus x, if you send that side, plus x, that is 2x, is equal to 11/18. Minus comes this side, plus, so it will become 4/18. 11/18 plus 4/18, it will become somewhere around 15/18. So what is x value? It is 15 by this 18 denominator. 18 2s are 36 it will become, which you can further cancel and say 3 5s are 3 9s are. What is 5/9? 5/9 is actually the copper in alloy C. So alloy C, we have to find argentum is to brass. How much it will be? Sorry, here it is brass. We are taking brass and proceeding. So here it is brass, 5/9. Here we have taken brass, here brass. So this we got as brass. Out of 9 part, 5 part is the brass. So you know 5 part is the brass. So what will be the argentum? 9 minus 5. How much it will come? 4:5. So the new alloy will have argentum and brass in the ratio of 4:5, which is not given. Where we have done the mistake, let us check it out once again. 4:5, nowhere it is given. Let us check it out. Here, my dear friend, we have gone for 11/18 plus 4/18, which becomes 11 plus 4/18. Here, how we got? We are getting 4/18 because of this. So 11/18 plus 4/18 becomes 15/18. Okay, this becomes x plus x, 2x. So if you send to that side, 18 double, it will be 36. Okay, so it will become 5/9. Yes, 3 5s are 3 9s are. So 4:5 ratio it should be, alloy C should be having. Just check it out from here once again. 7 part is what? 7 part is argentum, 2 part is a brass. So 2/9 we have written here. Here 11 part is actually the brass. Out of 11 plus 7, 11/18. Here new, we don't know. This is actually the brass we should be getting. So here when we go for 2, it is becoming 4/18. This is as 11/18. So 11/18 minus x we have written should be equal to x minus 4/18. We have written that. Solving this, we are getting 11/18 and this comes 4/18 this side. 11 plus 4, it is 15/18. X goes that side, it will become plus x, that is 2x. So 15/18. So 18 2s are 36. So 5/9. Yes, we are getting argentum and brass in the ratio of 4:5. Hope here the options entered, there must be a mistake. Okay, so there can be a mistake, there must be a entering mistake. So here the argentum and brass should be in the ratio of 4:5 in the alloy C. Let's see the next question. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:1. On adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 5:2. The quantity of milk in the mixture earlier was. Quantity of milk in the mixture earlier was. Now what they are doing, one mixture, they are adding water. So what we'll do, we'll take water and proceed. Here is the mixture and here is the water what we are adding. Mixture is having how much water? Mixture is having 1 part water out of 6 parts. So 1/6. And water is complete water. That is 1 part. Both we are mixing. And the ratio of milk and water. Here water becomes how much? 2 part out of total 2 plus 5, 7. So 2/7. So what ratio? We have to mix both of them. First let us find the ratio. Let us make the denominator first the same. Let us multiply here 7 in numerator denominator. This can be written as 7/42. Multiply 6 in numerator denominator. This can be written as 6 to the 12/42. Okay, and this is 42/42. So 42/42 minus 12/42, it will become 42 minus 12. It is exactly 30/42. And 12/42 minus 7/42, how much it will come? It will come 5/42. So it should be in the mixed in the ratio of mixture is to water 30:5, which you can further cancel and say 5 ones, 5 6 are 30. So if mixture is 6 liter, water added should be 1 liter. Now what they are saying, water is actually not 1 liter. Water they have clearly given, they are adding 5 liter. So if you make this as 5, means again coming back to this should be 30 liters. So mixture was total how much? It was 30 liters. If it is some other thing, you can multiply that constant number both the side. Now mixture is 30 liters. They are not asking you the mixture. They are asking you the quantity of milk in the mixture earlier. In this, how much was the milk? So milk is how much here? 5 part out of total 6 parts. So 5/6 of 30 liter was the milk earlier in the mixture. So 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25 liters of milk was there earlier in the 30 liter mixture. So here answer is 25 liters. That is option B. Moving further, in what ratio must a grocer mix 2 varieties of pulses? costing 15 and 20 per kg respectively to get the mixture worth 16.50 per kg. So they have given very simple question here. Two varieties, one is 15 rupees, another is 20 rupees. Both we should mix and make it as 16.5 rupees per kg. So what ratio we have to mix? So it will be, if you subtract it, it will be coming 1.5, and if you subtract this side 20 minus 16.5, it will be coming 3.5. So it should be mixed in the ratio of 35:15. Multiplying 10 both sides, 35:15, where further you can say 7 5 7s are 5 3s are. So it should be mixed in the ratio of 7:3, which is given in option B. As simple as that. So here next question they have given, in what ratio must Ankit mix two varieties of sugar worth 20 and 32 per kg, so that by selling the mixture at 36 he would gain 20%. This question already we have seen similar question earlier. This is actually the selling price. This is the selling price. We have to write all the three same. So cost price here it is, one is 20 rupees per kg, another 32 rupees per kg. Both we should mix, and don't write 36 here because 36 is actually the selling price. Selling price is 36, and profit they are talking about 20%. 20% profit means SP by CP, that is 36 by CP should be equal to 1.2. Then only you can say it is 20% profit. So let us find the CP. It will be 36 by 1.2 is equal to CP. If you remove this decimal, it will become 360. So 12 ones, 12 30s. So cost price is 30. So 30 in the middle, difference both side, difference is the ratio. 30 minus 20, if I am not wrong, 10. 32 minus 30, it is 2. So it should be mixed in the ratio of 2:10, which you can further cancel and say it should be mixed in the ratio of 1:5. That is given in the option D. As simple as that. So this alligation rule will be useful to you in so many places. One more question is there. Let us sort this out. Find the ratio in which sugar 7 rupees 20 per kg be mixed with sugar 5 rupees 70 per kg to get a worth mixture 630. Again it is very simple. So here 720 per kg, 7.2. Another is 5 rupees 70 per kg, so 5.7. Both mixing making 6.3. You can multiply 10 and write directly also. So my dear friend, if I am not wrong, 72 minus 63, how much you will get? It will come 789. So 0.9 you will get. And here 63 minus 57, how much you will get? 0.6 you will get. So they should be mixed in the ratio of 6:9, which you can further cancel and say 3 2s are 3 3s are 2:3 ratio, that is given in option B. As simple as that. So this alligation rule, you can see it will be useful to you in so many places. This is, we even call it as something called as flour method, but how to mix that, how to write that, that should be very clear to you. Then it will be useful to you in so many places. Coming to the topic partnership. What is partnership? This is also a part of ratio only. What is partnership? See, whenever any company, any organization is started, it depends that how many owners will be there. If a single person is the owner, okay, then there is no partner over there. So sole partner, single partner. But my dear friend, consider two people have invested. We call partnership. Okay, like A and B, both invested their money and started a business. So A and B individually, they will be called as partner. A and B together, they will be called as firm. F-I-R-M, firm. A and B, two people started investing, they started the business by investing their money, whatever different money they can invest, or same equal quantity also, equal money they can invest. But A and B separately, they will be called as partners, and total together A and B, when they are together, it will be called as firm. So this type of words can come in the question, no need to get confused. First, let us understand the basic of this partnership. There are three different things you have to understand. One, I said, what is partner, what is firm. Simple and compound partnership. What is the meaning of this simple partnership, compound partnership? See, A and B started the business. Okay. Now, A invested 5,000, B invested 6,000. They continued their business for 1 year. After 1 year, they got the profit. So their profit will be distributed in the ratio of same 5:6. That is simple partnership. But coming to the compound partnership. In compound partnership, what happens? Some people, they invest in the middle of the period, or some people withdraw their investment. Then it will be called as compound partnership. Like A started one business by investing 10,000 rupees. Okay. After 4 months, B invested in that business 8,000 rupees. after 4 months. So end of the year, what will happen? A will be getting the profit for 12 months and B will be getting the profit only for 8 months because he invested after 4 months. So that ratio we have to find, that will be called as compound partnership. They can deposit or they can even withdraw their investment. Now next comes what is sleeping partner and what is working or active partner. Now what happens exactly is they start the business, 3 people, 2 people, 3 people, they start the business. Out of those 2-3 people, one person take care of the complete business and remaining people do not see that. They just invest the money and they just sit down. They will be called as sleeping partner. Like A, B, C invested money. A was working for the business. A was working on that. He was going to the office. He was checking out how the procedure is going on. Everything he is working over there. B and C are not working at all. So B and C will be called as sleeping partner, whereas A will be called as active partner, working partner. Now what is the difference? Whatever profit they will get, first of all, the active partner will get some part of it, some share of it, some percentage of that profit. Then after what is remaining, the remaining money will be distributed in all the 3 partners based on their investment. So because the person active partner is working, for that person there should be some part of the profit as a salary because he is working, and sleeping partner just with the investment. So active partner will be getting the salary, that is some part of the profit. It can be in percentage or else some fixed amount, and the sleeping partner, they will be getting their investment portion only as a profit. Investment, how much they have done, according to that only profit, but active partner will get both salary as well as based on investment the profit. So anyhow, this part is clear to you. Now coming to sharing of profit and loss at an agreed proportion. So the partnership, what they do, they agreed whatever profit will come, half will keep. So this is whatever the investment, they will share it equally or they will share in 1:2 ratio. That is agreed proportion. They will write one MOU, mutual understanding, and they will go according to that. This is one way. Another way is based on their investment and unit of time. This is more important. This won't come in the examination. They will ask you based on this. So this, they won't give you MOU. Okay, so they will give you this part, how much they have invested, for what period they have invested, based on that the question. So the question will be formed from this part. Now let's see the question how they give. Amit and Shashank started a business by investing 22,500 and 35,000 respectively. If the total profit is 13,800, what is the Shashank share? So how much Shashank will get? Based on their investment. Based on their investment ratio, what is their investment over there? If you see Amit is to Shashank, we are talking about their investment, 225 is to 350. Sir, what happened about the remaining 20? It got cancelled. Further, you can even cancel this. If I am not wrong, this is 25 forza. No, it is not 25 forza. It is, my dear friend, 25. How much is 125? 25 5s are 125. 25 6s are 150. 25 8s are 200. 25 9s are 225. And this is 25 1s are 25. Remainder 10, 100 it became, 25 4s are 100. So their investment ratio A is to S, that is Amit is to Shashank, they have invested in the ratio of 9:14. So in the same ratio, they will get the profit. So profit will be also distributed in this ratio only based on their investment. What they are asking you regarding the Shashank. Shashank is here how much? 14 part. Shashank is 14 part. Out of total, 14 plus 9, it is 23. So 14 by 23 of the total share Shashank will be getting. This fraction Shashank will be getting of the total profit, which is 13800. If I am not wrong, this is 23 ones are 23. How much is 138? If I am not wrong, 23 6 are is 138. So 600. So 14 into 600. 14 into 600, how much it will be coming? 14 into 600, it will be coming 14 6 are 84, 8400. So 8,400 will be the Shashank share out of total profit 13,800. As simple as that. This was simple partnership. This was simple partnership. Here both were, there was nothing called as active partner, sleeping partner, nothing like that. Okay, this is simple partnership, and it is not even compound, because in the middle if someone is investing, then it will be compound, or in the middle someone is withdrawing, then it will be compound. Let's see the next. There are three partners A, B, C. Each had a share of the profit in the proportion to their. No need to say this sentence, though they have given you in the question. Anyhow, the profit will be shared based on their investment only. A investment was 240, B was 640. Okay. So A investment they have given, it is 240. B investment they have given, it is 640. If A share, C investment they have not given. So C investment, that is what we have to find. If A share was rupees 15 in every profit of 100, then what would be the investment of C? So C investment was X rupees. This is what we have to find, the C investment. Now they are clearly mentioning how much A will be getting out of total profit 100. A will be getting 15 rupees. So what is A part actually? Actually what should A should get? A should get 240 part out of total, that is 240 plus 640 plus X. This much fraction A should get, and this fraction they are saying it is out of 100 rupees 15 rupees. That's it. Here sorting out this equation you will get the X value. X means the investment of C. Let us sort it out. Can we cancel this and say 5 threes are and 5 20s are, so 3 by 20. So 24 twos are 48 2 zeros is equal to, here 240 plus 640, this becomes 880 into 3, 880 plus X into 3. So it will become 4800 is equal to 0, 8 3s are 24, 2 here, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 2640 plus 3X. So 4800 minus, so 3X is equal to 4800 minus, if we go for 2640, how much it is coming? 4800 minus 2640, it will be coming 0, this is 6, this will be somewhere 1, and this will be 1. So it will be 1160. So X is equal to how much? Divide by 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 10, 11 2 26. How much it is coming? How it is coming? Pi 3. Once again let me check it out. A investment 240, B investment 640, C investment X. This is the total investment. Out of that A will get 240. Out of 100 A will be getting, it is clearly given, A share will be 15. So this is 15. 5 3s are 5 20s are. So sorting this out, 2 2s are 4. So this is 4 8 and 2 zeros is equal to 240 plus 640 is 880 into plus X into 3. Yes, 4800 is equal to, this is 0, 24 to, it was 24, 25, 10, 6, yes, 3X. So it is coming 1160. So it will be 1160 by 3. 3 3 is a 9, 10, 11, 2, 26. It is 3 8s are 24. Am I right? So 25, 26, 2, 20, 3 6 are 18. So 386.6 bar. This is the what investment of C. It is 386.6666 so on, or else you can say 386 2 by 3. This much rupees C invested. So this was the investment of C. So you can see, if you know how to sort it out the equation, you can easily answer, but you should know how the money will be distributed. This is again the simple, my dear friend, this is again the simple, not the compound partnership. It is a simple partnership. Moving further, this question. A and B started a business by investing 20 and 15 respectively. After 6 months, this is a compound. After 6 months, C joined them with 20,000. What would be B's share in the total profit of 25,000 earned at the end of second year? Earned at the end of second year. Let's see the investment of A. A invested 20,000. See, I am removing the 3 zeros. Okay, I am removing this 3 zeros. A investment 20,000 for how much time? It is coming up till second year, means 24 months. So this is for 24 months. B investment is 15,000 for how many months? That is also 24 months. C invested, C joined after 6 months with money how much? 20,000, and for how many months? After 6 months means from 24 removes the 6. So C was continuing only for 18 months. Let us simplify this. Any one number you can cancel from all. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Okay. Further I can cancel this. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, any more cancellation? No. So it is coming A is to B is to C. First one it is 20 is to, second one is 15 is to, third one is again 15, which you can cancel and say 5 fours are, 5 ones are, sorry, 5 threes are, 5 threes are. Okay, so A is to B is to C, 4 is to 3 is to 3. Now the total money they got is 25,000, and that they are asking you the B share. What is B here? B is 3 part. B is 3 part out of total. Out of total you can say 4 plus 3 plus 3, 10. So 3 by 10 of the profit B will be getting. So 3 by 10 of 25,000 B will be getting. 0 0 cancel. 25 3s are 75. So 7,500. This will be the share of B if the total profit is 25,000. Simple. So this is how they place the question. You know very well now compound partnership as well. Let's see this question. ABC started a business with capital 20,000, 25,000 and 30,000 respectively. If end of the year C got 3,600, that is 3,600 as a profit, then what was the total profit? They are asking you what was the total profit. Now let's see. A invested 20,000, B invested 25,000, C invested 30,000. So what is the investment ratio? You can cancel this with 5 table, 5 fours, 5 fives, 5 6. So A is to B is to C, the investment ratio is 4 is to 5 is to 6. In this ratio only the contract amount, or sorry, the total profit will be distributed. Now let us find the C. C is how much? 6 part out of total. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. So 6 by 15 of total profit C will be getting. And C is getting how much profit? That is given as 3,600. That's it. So from here we can find the total profit. So total profit will be equal to 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. So 600 into 15. So it will come total profit 15 into 6 90. So total profit was 9,000 rupees. In 9,000 C will be getting 3,600. As simple as that. Here they have given 𝐂𝐚𝐴 started a business by investing 9,000. Where by investing 9,000 rupees, 𝐂𝐚𝐴 started the business. Now, after 5 months, this is they are talking about their again the compound partnership. After 5 months, Satish joined with a capital of 8,000. If at the end of year, 1 year only, here they are not talking about 2 years, only 1 year, they earned a profit of 6,970. Then what would be the Satish share in the total profit? They are asking you the Satish share. Now, let us understand 𝐂𝐚𝐴's share. 𝐂𝐚𝐴 invested 9,000 for all the 12 months, that is complete year. Talking about the Satish investment, Satish invested 8,000, but Satish came when? Satish came after 5 months. So from 12 months, 5 months, you have to remove it. Satish investment was 12 minus 5, which is for how many months? 7 months only. So this is 7 months only. Clear? Now, so here 3 zeros we are cancelling. So we can say directly this as 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So it is 9 3s are 27, 𝐂𝐚𝐴's investment, and 7 2s are 14. This is the Satish investment. 𝐂𝐚𝐴's is to Satish, their investment is in the ratio of 27 is to 14. So in the same ratio they will be getting their profit. So Satish profit they are asking. Satish is how much? 14 part out of total. 27 plus 14, if I am not wrong, it is 41. So 14 by 41 of the profit Satish will be getting. So 14 by 41 of 6,970. So with the 41 table directly we can cancel this. If I am not wrong, 41 ones are 41 17s are. So 170. So 14 into 170. How much it will be coming? 14 into 170 it will be coming 238 and 0. So 2380. This will be the share of Satish of the total profit 6,970. As simple as that. Here next question they have given. P and Q invest in a business in the ratio 3:2. They have clearly given their investment ratio 3:2. If 5% of the total profit goes to charity, see here 5% is going to charity. As I talked about the active partner, it can happen they will give you 5% goes to some person, that is any of the partner, as a active partner, as a share of an active partner. So after that, then the investment, the profit will be distributed. The remaining profit will be distributed. But here it is 5% is going to the charity. P's share was 855. Then what is the total profit? If 5% they are sending to charity, it means only 95% is distributed. Now, first of all, let us understand what should be the P share. Actually, P should get 3 part out of total 3 plus 2 5 parts. So 3 by 5 of the net profit P will be getting, and P is getting how much? It is 855. So what is the net profit? Net profit will be how much? It is 855 into 5 by 3, which you can say net profit is equal to, you can cancel this I think with the 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. If you go for, no, it is 3 twos are 6, sorry, it is 3 twos are 6, 7 8 2 25, 3 8s are 24, 1 25, 15, 3 5s are 15. So 285 into 5, how much you will be getting? 285 into 5, it will be coming somewhere around 1425. So this is the net profit they are talking about. 1425 is the net profit. Net profit in the sense, this is 95%, because 5% went for charity. So total profit, how much it will be? 95%, or else you can even call it as 0.95 of total profit is given as 1425. So what is total profit? Total profit will be 1425 divided by 0.95. 95% means 95 by 100, that I have written as 0.95. This you must have understood if you have attended the percentage concept in the previous video. So let us understand what is the total profit. Total profit will be, if you divide 1425 by 0.95, it will be coming somewhere around, if you add here 1500. So total profit was 1500. This is the answer. So these are the two topics which are somewhere related with the ratio, the topic that is mixtures alligation and the topic that is partnership. So hope you have understood both the topic very clearly, but my dear friend, practice more number of questions to make yourself confident in these two topics. The more you practice, the more expert you become. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.